before the Chinese Communist state's colonization of East Turkestan, Manchu Qing Empire colonized East Turkestan. An invasion of East Turkestan of Manchu Qing Empire took place in 1750s, a short period, and again in 1877. That was the time period when the Manchu invaded in East Turkestan, and this was over 200 years after they invaded China in 1644. Manchu Empire and China is totally different two empire. The Manchu Empire controlled the Beijing, which was capital city of the Chinese Ming Dynasty, and referred to the Ming Dynasty's territory as China and the Han people in this territory as Chinese, even though Manchu rulers interchangeably used Manchu or Qing mean to China. However, territory of Manchu was not only belonged to Han Chinese people. Only the Ming Dynasty's territory was home of the Han Chinese people. But China claimed that East Turkestan, Mongolia, or Tibet, all of the Manchu colonized territory was belonged to China. And they claim that East Turkestan belonged to China since ancient time, since Han Dynasty, the Chinese Han Dynasty. It's true that Chinese Han Dynasty, they were exist from 202 BCE to 9 CE. A short period of time, they colonized and captured East Turkestan's very small portion. Just the Turpan area is not total region of East Turkestan. The Manchu invasion of East Turkestan in 1877 was not the colonization of stateless land without nation also, but the invasion of Kashgaria state. Kashgaria state was East Turkestanian people's state. It was recognized by Ottomans and the British. After the invasion, Manchu Empire changed the name of the region to Xinjiang, which means colony in Manchu dictionary. East Turkestan Republic, after the Manchu collapse, established twice by the East Turkestanian people in 1933 and 1944. Latest East Turkestan Republic established 5 years before the People's Republic of China's establishment and their invasion to East Turkestan. So China's claim of East Turkestan is inseparable part of China, and East Turkestan was formally incorporated into China since Han Dynasty, the ancient times, all are total lie.